Hello, this is Hans from My Golden Future. It is the last day of a very special year, a year that brought us a lot of challenges, but which also brought us amazing news considering the cryptocurrencies and blockchain. When we look at Bitcoin, well, and you see that it was a little bit more than $7,000 at the beginning of the year, and now it's more than 28,000, and some of us would think it would reach 30,000, but that is not going to happen, I'm afraid, in this year, but it will for certain in the new year 2021. I posted on our page recently a video, and I don't know if you watched it yet. It's the video from Michael Saylor, co-founder and CEO of MicroStrategy, and it's really a good video, an important video to watch, because the time is over that you could think that crypto is just for crypto nerds. It's a scam, it's not real, it won't last forever. What people could say and think about crypto. If you watch and listen to this video closely, then you will understand that it, really we have to do with a paradigm shift, and things are going to change for good, and in my opinion they are going to change for the better, for you and for me. And that's why we work hard at My Golden Future, to educate people, to give them good information so they begin to understand what this is: cryptocurrency, blockchain, decentralized finance, peer-to-peer marketing, all these difficult words. And the most important part of the education is to help people understand how this can affect their own situation and how they can benefit from it. Maybe you're also looking at a bank account, a bank savings account, where your money is, and it's not growing at all. You don't get any interest. You only see the value go down because of the inflation. And you're wondering, what should I do? Maybe you don't want to go in stocks because it's too complicated, or maybe you're afraid of losses. And maybe you feel the same way about cryptocurrencies and blockchain. And that's why you need the education, to understand what the risks are and what the possibilities are, and then you can make your own judgment if you want to be active in that field. There are great opportunities, and I use a lot of them, to get some interest on your money or to see your assets grow. The main goal of all what we do is that we put our assets to work and that they create cash flow for us. And what we want to achieve is that we can live from the cash flow of our assets. So then we don't work for the money, but the money works for us. If you want to know how to do that, if you want to make a tiny step in the right direction, then you are at a good place when you follow My Golden Future. In 2021, we're going to start with weekly free Zoom calls to help you understand this. We're going to do paid courses if you want to go in depth and want to know more of it. So there are a lot of opportunities at My Golden Future to get more education, to get more knowledge about this new world and how you can benefit from it and how you can understand it. I hope to see you. I hope to have you in one of my courses or in the Zoom call. I really enjoy that there are so many people that like the page and read the articles, read the posts and comment on it. I wish you all the best for 2021. Keep safe, keep healthy, and keep your eyes and focus on all the things that are going to happen in the cryptocurrency space, in the blockchain space, because it will be a really interesting 2021. Thank you for listening, and bye bye.